Well, hi, didn't see you there. Today, we're going to be talking to you guys about the daily tasks of lifeguarding by Elijah D'Souza and PJ Hillier.
Step 1. Open the pool. First, you have to unlock the gate. Then you have to go around, organize the chairs, and make sure everything's nice and neat. Next, you're going to want to unlock the bathrooms and make sure it's all clean and lights are on. You also have to open up the employee office to get everything out. And the last part of step 1 is set up your lifeguard station, open up the umbrella, and get out all your stuff like the sign-in sheet.
Alright, now we test the chlorine concentration of the pool water. So we fill up the tube to 5 milliliters. Then you put a DPD tablet in. You agitate it. And you compare it to the sample and see that it's about 3.0 ppm.
Next, we're going to talk about the 3 different types of chlorine. Although they're all chlorine, they all have different states that make them each good and bad. First up is the tab of chlorine. This one has less surface area because it's a solid and it's pushed together. So you put it in and it has less surface area to touch the water, so it dissolves and it takes longer to. So you put this one overnight when you're not there. Next up is granular. It's powder, so it has a lot of surface area, not as much as the liquid chlorine, but you use this on a daily basis when you're there. And only in extreme cases you use the liquid chlorine. Since it has no definite volume, it can have as much surface area as it wants and spreads out. Only in extreme cases. Warning, it could make you blind. Before we go into our next step, let's talk about chlorine. Chlorine is a dangerous substance when used in high amounts. Even in low amounts, it can irritate the skin. Chlorine is used as a disinfectant. In most household cleaners, chlorine is there, such as bleach. Chlorine, when put into the pool, it disinfects it by cleaning and killing all the germs and bacteria in it. It also oxidizes it, which means it controls organic debris from perspiration and body oils. Basically, it controls the dead skin scales and sweat left over from bathers in the pool. So that's good to clean up so people don't get sick from that. Also, when handling liquid chlorine, it's very important to get it away from your eyes. If it ever touches your eyes, you have a very good chance of going blind. The chlorine solution is added to the water. It breaks down into many different chemicals, including hypochlorous acid, HOCl, and a hypochlorite ion, which its chemical formula is OCl.
Next, we test the pH level of the pool. So we fill up the tube to 10 milliliters, and we put the pH tablet in, aka phenol red, and this one takes extra agitation compared to the chlorine. And then we compare it to the sample, which it looks to be 7.4.
pH levels are a very important concept. It's very important for the pool to be at its right and ideal pH level. The ideal range is 7.2 to 7.8. Any more and any less is dangerous. If it's too acidic, it can be dangerous and irritate people's eyes and irritate their skin, at least. And if it's too basic, it won't kill the germs and bacteria in the pool, which can be dangerous to all swimmers in the pool. So it's very important to be between 7.2 and 7.8. 7.6 and 7.4 are the best numbers to get. Next, most lifeguards have to clean the mirrors in the bathrooms before use. We use Windex, which is NH3 plus added fragrances. Last but not least, our final step is make sure you're in total coverage of the pool where you can see every inch of the pool and area, so you can make sure every visitor is safe and sound. Why we chose this topic? We chose this topic because we wanted you to understand what we have to go through every day once we go on shift.
We've learned that pH levels and chlorine concentration can be very dangerous if one digit is changed.
Thanks for watching.
Stay cool.